In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star boards in Trello. Starring boards in Trello is a simple way to keep your most important projects within quick reach. When a board is starred, it appears in a special section so you don't have to hunt for it among everything else you're working on. Let's walk through how to access that area and organize your starred boards so your workflow feels fast and effortless. First, log into Trello using your browser or the Trello app. Once you're in, open any board. It doesn't matter which one. This just places you inside your workspace, so you can access the board switching controls that make navigating Trello quick and intuitive. Next, find the Switchboards option. Depending on your screen size and the version you're using, you'll see either the text that says Switchboards or a small board switching icon. Look toward the very top or the very bottom of your screen. This control is your hub for moving between boards and is also where Trello highlights the ones you've starred. Click it to open the drop-down menu. In this menu, locate the section labeled Starred. This area collects any boards you've marked as favorites, making them easy to spot. If you don't see anything listed yet, that simply means you don't have any starred boards at the moment. As soon as boards are starred, they'll appear here automatically. Once you're in the starred section, you can tidy things up so your top boards are always exactly where you expect them to be. Click and drag your boards to reorder them in whatever sequence makes sense for you, perhaps by priority, by client, or by deadline. Trello supports intuitive drag and drop here, and your changes save instantly. So the order you set is the order you'll use moving forward. This reordering affects how your starred boards appear in that menu across devices, which helps you establish a consistent navigation pattern. A quick tip as you arrange things: place the boards you reach for most often at the top. That way, when you open the Switchboards menu, your most critical work is immediately visible. And if your screen is compact, remember that the same menu might be docked at the opposite edge of the interface. Just look for the familiar board switching control. That's all there is to it. By logging in, opening any board, using the Switchboards menu, locating the starred section, and dragging to reorder, you'll keep your most important Trello boards just a click away.